Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix unexpected error occurred or session expired on Facebook or any other Meta application. So one thing you have to note down is that this problem may occur when server is down of Facebook or any other Meta application, but there are several steps that you may follow in order to fix your issue. Now, let me show you the process. So first of all, launch your App Store or Google Play Store in case you are using an Android device. Okay, here we go. Now, go to the search bar and simply search for Facebook. Okay, here we go. Now, select Facebook. Now, over here, make sure that your application is updated to its latest version and there are no pending updates. If you see the option of update, tap on it and update your application. You can follow these same steps for other Meta applications as well. Now, another step what you can follow is just open your settings. Now, I'm using an iOS device and the steps may differ for Android device. So in case if you're using an iOS device, just open your settings and tap on General. Now tap on iPhone storage right here. Now scroll down below and search for Facebook. Now once you find the app, tap on Facebook. Now once you are here, you can see various options. Just tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again. By doing this step, you will be able to clear cache from Facebook. Now just wait for some time before you tap on Reinstall App. After tapping on reinstalling app, you have to wait for some time and then open your Facebook and check if your problem has been solved. So that's all for today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for further tutorial videos.